Myself is Siddesh Sakre, student of first year Diploma Computer Engineering, ZIL Polytechnic Pune. My subject is web page designing. My topic is historical places in Maharashtra under the Rohit Katre sir. My topic name is historical places in Maharashtra, the Gateway of India, Elephanta Caves, the Aga Khan Palace, the Ellora Caves. First, the historical places in Maharashtra. The historical places in Maharashtra are a great tribute to of the Maratha rulers and Indians who live here. One can learn a lot about the history and culture of Indian by observing these movements, such as the famous first Gateway of India, Elephanta Caves, Ajanta Caves, Jayagada Forts, Ellora Caves. Second, the Gateway of India. The Gateway of India in arch movement built in the early 20th century in the city of Mumbai, in the Indian state of Maharashtra. It was erected of commode the landing in December 1911 at Apollo Bandar, Mumbai, of King Emperor George V and Q Empress Mary, the first British monarch to visit India. At the time of the royal visit, the gateway was not yet built and the cardboard structure greeted and monarch. The foundation stone was laid in March 1913 for a movement built in the Indo style, incorporating elements of 16th century Gujarati architecture. The final design of the movement by architect Georges Vitet was only 1914 and construction was completed in 1924. The structure is triple arch made of basalt, which is 26 meters, 85 feet high. Caves. The Elephanta Caves contain rock but stone sulfides that show of Hindu for a few expectations. Much of the artwork is defaced and damaged. The main temple's orientation as well as the relative location of other temples are placed in a mandala pattern. This date them between 5th and 9th century and attribute them to various Hindu dynastics. They are more commonly placed between the 5th and 7th centuries. Most scholars consider it to have been completed by up to 550 CE. They are named Elephanta, which more to Elephanta by the colonial Portuguese when then found Elephanta status on it. They established a base on the island and its and soldiers damaged and sculptures and caves. The main cave was a Hindu place of worship. The earliest attempts to prevent further damage to the caves were started by British Indian official is 1909. The Aga Khan Palace. The Aga Khan Palace was built by Sultan Muhammad Shah Aga Khan in Pune, India. Historical places holds great significance. Mahatma Gandhi, his wife Kasturba Gandhi, and his secretary Mahadev Desai were interned in the palace from 9th August 1940 to 6 May 1944. Following the launch of Quiet India movement, Kasturba Gandhi and Mahadev Desai died during their captivity period in the palace and have their Mahatma Gandhi and Kasturba Gandhi have their memorials located in the same complex. Rear Mullah Revire legend goes that the Sultan built the palace to provide employment to the famine-struck villagers of the surrounding regard, so employed 1,000 people and the palace was constructed in 5 years. In 1969, Aga Khan Palace was donated to Indian people by Aga Khan IV as a mark of respect to Gandhi and his philosophy. There was a protest held at the status of Mahatma Gandhi near Pune railway station